Hi guys, so today I will show you how to make a math box to make a fun maths game for kids. So let's get started. So to make this, I have taken this cardboard sheet of paper, and so I will just cover it up with this colored paper, this sheet which I have already cut to its size. So I will just take my glue and I will just stick to it. So I will just put all around this sheet like this. And I will just cover it up. And this also. I will turn it around and I will paste this to the cardboard. If you want, you can cover this part. If you don't, it's up to you, because I am leaving it like this only. It will be on the back, this thing, so it will not be a problem. So just simple gluing and sticking. You can use tape, you can use any kind of glue you want, it's up to you. But I always use and prefer this glue, so I am using this. If you want, you can use any type of your choice. We'll just put glue and I will just keep it aside for some time for the glue to dry. Then it will be good. So this is done, this covering is done. So I will just leave it aside now for this glue, because it takes some time, but it works really very well, this glue. So I will just keep it aside for some time now. And then I need a shoe box kind of a thing like this one. So you can use any box. If you have shoe box, that's fine. If you have any other box, that's also okay. So it's like this. So I will just I will not cover this part, I will just cover this part, because it's looking good. So no need to cover this. But if you want, you can cover it too. So I will just take this glue now and just stick it to cover its bottom only. The rest I will keep it the same. So it's like this. I will show you when I've done this. I will show you the thing. So this is done. So I will keep this aside as well for some time, and let's do now this thing. This is toilet papers or towels, empty things. So this is A4 sheet size sheet. I will just cover this with this sheet. So taking just some glue, starting with glue over here. So you can take any colored sheet of your choice, it's up to you. I am using this, but you can use any color that you want. So no need to cut this part or this part. If you want you can cut, but I don't think there is any need to cut this part, so I will just leave it like this only. This extra sheet part, this extra, it's okay. So just cover it up, and it's quite simple and easy to make, and it's a really very fun game for kids to play and learn maths. And at the same time they can have fun with maths too. So the same thing I will do here also. Just putting some glue over here, and I will just roll it over. And then I will just do like this. So this is now stick proper and has been stick properly to it. So I will just make addition sign now. Addition sign I will make over here, over there, here. So I will show you how. I will make a little bit thick one so the kids can be familiar with this sign, and when they are in higher class they will know that this is the addition sign. So I have made this sign now, addition sign, and I just need to stick it over on the box like this. So I will just take my glue now and put glue over here. I will just take this box with me, and I have sticked it like this. So here is my son, and he will show you how to play with this.
So here I have some Lego. I'm gonna put in here and add them. So this is one, and then the other one's two, then one and two, and one more is two. So there's one more. That makes three. Then we put one in here. That's four. As you can see, there's five. And I put it here. So let me put one over here. So if I add 5, so there is 5 right now, and now there.